Chingón. Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Philly here. It's pretty sunny. We got my pops' truck right here because we started cleaning the oh, you guys can see we got rid of the trailer. It's in the back now. Nice. Anyways, broskies, today's a very exciting day because today I'm finally gonna paint the engine bay for the troquita. We also installed these plates on the frame rails with bolts on both sides. Basically, from here on, we're gonna do our front tube, a bolt on, and then right here we're also gonna do another plate, and then it's gonna be bolt on. But right now what I'm gonna do is paint the engine bay, and then after we do that, we're gonna install the engine and then work on our front tube. So that's why I'm gonna paint it before we throw the engine on, make it look pretty. But I think I'm gonna go with the black with some gold flakes. Not the same as the Z's. These are a little smaller, so it's gonna look a little more like kind of like a metallic look. So I'm gonna do that. We'll see how it comes out. But honestly, broskies, I feel like not even throwing some flakes. I feel like just doing it solid black. But I'm already here. I got time to kill, so I'm just gonna throw some flakes. I don't know about you guys, but this is always satisfying. The smell of paint. Yeah. I got like a full gallon of black. Should I just do the whole car black? Nah, I'm the charcoal gray. Nel cabrón. Alright, broskies, I just finished spraying it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Mira nomás. See if I can get some good shots right here. But I threw some little flake. I almost didn't throw the flake. I almost, and then I was like, ah, fuck it. But I think it looked pretty fresh. Let me see. Let me go to the other side. Hopefully I can get some good shots. But mira, nomás nice and wet. That wet. Looks pretty cool right there. Mira. Mira nomás, broskis. Still got it. Can't really see. Let me see. Camera's out of focus. Let me use the light real quick, see if I can show you so you guys can see better. But I like it. I like how it came out. Let's see. Jeez. Damn, broskies. Damn. Wow. Oh, I got tired. It's a heavy ass flashlight. But yeah, broskies, that's how she came out. Took me like 20 minutes. It didn't take me long. But I'm super happy with the results. I just gotta wait till it dries up and then we'll wash the motor and then we'll start slapping it on. But I cleaned it off. I cleaned it up a little bit. It was full of trash right here. I still gotta clean it up better. But that's why we have my dad's truck right here. Let me show you guys the backyard because I'm really excited about it. Wait, let's go to the other side. So let me give you guys a little tour of the house. But basically, I have this madre. This is from a tree. I gotta clean all this shit up. I gotta throw all those tires. Look at this shit, broskies. Oh ho! Got the little Yamaha in the back. We got a shitload of trash tires right here. More tires. I got the little trailer over here in the back. We'll probably work on it soon. But this wood fence was right here and we couldn't come to the back side, so I knocked it down. I can put it back, but for now I think I'm gonna leave it open as is. And then all this shit, I gotta throw it away. A while back my dad helped me cut this tree. It was all dead, so he cut it up and we just left it there, never cleaned it up. And that's why, like I said, we got the truck. And then I got all this junk right here. But basically, this is a nice spot right here to work on cars. So what the plan is, I have my old RV right there. The plan is to move this utility trailer to the back, probably in the corner. And then leave the boat trailer right there. And then basically clean all this shit up right here. Knock down this bush right here. And then I already ordered some privacy cover. But it's not like this one. This one's pretty cheap. I got this one at Home Depot. Well, it wasn't cheap, but it sucks. I got the net. It's pretty cool. And I got it exact size for that fence all along. And then I got another one for this fence. So the neighbors aren't going to see my shit anymore. Que no estén chingando su pinche madre. And then I have another RV right here that was perfectly fine. I was going to throw this on the car and I left it outside. And I didn't cover it, so all the water went inside and se hizo un desmadre, so that shit got all rusted inside. I fucked up though. But yeah, all this junk right here, there's a lot of trash. It's gonna look sick, broskies. Hopefully, I'll probably continue the video tonight, maybe not. Maybe I'll just edit it right now and upload it. But yeah, broskies, next time, next video, I'll probably show you guys this all cleaned up. But I'm excited. Chingon. You know, broskies, you gotta... When life throws you lemons, you gotta do some lemonade, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like if you guys are new. Subscribe because Troquita content is coming. You guys already know. We're gonna try to finish it up by the end of December, hopefully. End of the year. So yeah. Look, I got more trash right here. Desmadre, broskis. Por eso no me quieren los pinches vecinos. But like the whole front, it's all cleaned up already. You know, I told Christian I kind of want to put like an RV shed right here and then maybe put like a 4-post lift, but we'll see later on. But for now, this is it for the video. Another last shot. Sheesh. Troquita's coming. I still gotta go to the junkyard and get another back window. But yeah, once we throw the motor, we're gonna work on the back and finish it up, broskies. Look, pinche yonke no tiene nada. You'll see though. This car is gonna come out really clean. So just remember how it looks like a pinche yonke right now. My baby. Alright, broskies. Bye.